let's start the radiator relocation kit install. First of all, I will jack up the front. For the easier access, I will remove front tires. Front tire is off, so now I will remove these covers from this side and from the other side. There are a couple of push pins and couple of screws. Push pins I am removing with these kind of tools. So now I can access everything. What I believe that if I remove the headlight from over here, I believe that I should be able then unscrew the radiator and just pull it out like this. There is a 5 screws like this, and it just comes out. As you can see now, when you take out the headlight, there is a plenty of room just to slide it out from the to the one of the sides. For me, it was easier to do it on the left side, well, or on the right side, depends how you look. The radiator is connected to the chassis with the 2 bolts on top. Those 2 bolts should be accessible through here, so I need to remove this. And now I can access the screws. What I will do now, I will empty all the coolant, and yeah, and we'll try to slide it out like that. Now I'm going to be emptying the coolant just in some bucket. Now let's disconnect the pipes from the other side. On the other side, the tube is on the radiator's lowest part, so it will drain them better. So the radiator should be almost empty, but of course there will be some coolant left, so some spillages will be around the garage, so just be careful. Yeah, all the tubes have been removed from the radiator. Let's try and take it out. Okay, I need to unplug the horn. Forgot to do that. Hey, nice and easy, yeah. Like I thought. Like I thought, yeah. If you remove the headlight, it's easy to slide it out, yeah. And no need to take off the all front or anything like that, like in some other videos. So now I'm going to take off the radiator fan. I will replace it with the new one because my fan is it's a bit squeaky. Can't hear it now on the low speed but when it turns on, it's a bit squeaky, yeah, from all the water rights and mud. So I did have to use the pressure washer to clean it. Now it looks like new. Just use it, yeah, the pressure washer. So now it seems to be clean. Okay, let's continue. Radiator been cleaned. So I just need to remove the fill port, fill tube or port, fill tube. So I have to remove the fill tube, and we'll have to put the horn back, reattach it to somewhere. But first I think I'm just going to put the wheel back and lower the quad so it's easier to work. I will now remove the rack covers so that I should be able to see where to put these brackets and where to screw them down. So now I can see clearly where are the metal tubes, so I can figure out where to put the screws. So now I can see where these brackets will be, so then I can should be able to see where I can make a holes. I just need to line it up perfectly. I believe that I will put it like this, so that there is some space between the my extra lights and radiator. This seems to be, everything seems to be straight. Yes, I think this looks good. Okay, let's make a holes. First of all, I will just mark it with the marker. I will now make the holes in a bracket, and after that I will place it again over here and mark the holes in a rack. So everything lines up, should be sturdy. Now I have to make the holes in a rack cover. So I have put the brackets on. Everything how it looks. This is how it looks, yeah. As there is some space, I did made some spacers. So the everything seems to be fine. Seems sturdy. And yeah, so now I have to put the radiator in a cover. Okay, so now I'm going to be making holes over here underneath for the radiator to sit there. What I mean, it's these two pins will go inside there, and I will use some step drill. I did mark them where I need to make them. Now I just need to make the hole in the front for the screw here. So I did mark it, and now I will make the hole. Well, it seems to be sturdy. Now I will attach the radiator fan. I believe that I can now put it on here and just connect all the pipes. Okay, now let's connect the pipes. These 90-degree elbows do come in a package. Okay, I will show you my progress. The fill port is at the moment located over here with some zip ties, but I will make some bracket something a bit later. All the pipes being connected. Let me show you how I connected them. On the left side there is one 90-degree elbow, and a tube just goes straight up and attaches to the radiator over here. On the other side there is a 90-degree elbow. Pipe goes up, it goes to here. There's another 90-degree elbow and just a 90-degree pipe which attaches to the radiator. At the moment everything being fixed, everything being bolted, and now I just want to fill up the coolant and I want to test it out. At the moment it seems to be full. There is no leaks. Let's start it up and see what happens. I will leave it all open for a bit so that the air can come out as well. And as I can see, if the level drops, everything seems to be good. I did run it for about half an hour. Temperature stays very good, 3 bars on a dashboard. Fan spins good, no leaks from the connections. And yeah, so project almost done. Now I just need to put all the plastics back, and yeah, so this is our final look, how it looks. From the top, I did the bleeding. So yeah guys, if you have some questions, leave them in the comment section. In the description there will be link and who you can contact to buy this part. I think it's made very good quality. It's of course it's aluminium. So yeah, if you did like it, press that like button and subscribe. If you do have some questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And take care.